Hi guys, if you ever struggle with dry turkey, so today I'm showing you my full proof of making the juicy, flavorful turkey with crispy golden skin. Let's get cooking. As you can see, this is my turkey wings that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use two turkey wings. I already cut everything. I'm just gonna add some lemon juice to it and then a little companion. He wants to cook with me, so he's just gonna just start mixing stuff. Yeah. So first thing first, I'm just gonna wash my. How do I have a nice thing? I'm gonna wash my meat with cold water. Don't touch the knife. Now I'm gonna add the flour and mix it. Mix it while I'm adding the flour. Here, not too fast. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Keep on mixing. And this is my dry spice. I have oregano parsley to my turkey wings.
How did you take some turkey?
Okay, now I'm gonna just
In here or what?
keep on mixing. I'm gonna cut my onion like this.
What can I do at the same time?
Okay.
Hey!
That's why I serve the rest. I'm just gonna add it to it. Mix everything together. Now I'm getting everything ready to put it in the oven. I don't know what is this. This is what I'm gonna use for the turkey. Potatoes.
And after you're gonna put what? Turkey. Mommy, I want to eat some turkey.
Okay.
Not some tomato and onion. Just some turkey. 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 Oh. Hey! There's your turkey out. Look at this giant turkey.
I'm trying to fit everything.
I want to put it.
I don't want you to put it in the chicken. I'm gonna help you. Hold it.
And they can.
Gonna put this in the oven, 375 for 1 hour and 30 minutes.
For 1 hour? For 1 hour?
Hour and 30 minutes. Now we're gonna check on the. Ooh, so heavy. I said 30. Mhm. Yeah.
30 minutes.
You wanna know how to make this golden turkey? Turn. Let me taste the turkey. Mmm. So good. So good. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in another one. Bye bye. Let me enjoy my food.